How to Make Money with Opus Clip 2025 Beginner's Guide. In 2025, short-form content is king. If you're not repurposing your videos into TikToks, Reels, and Shorts, you're leaving money on the table. In this video, I'll show you how to use Opus Clip, an AI tool that can automatically turn long videos into viral clips, and how you can make money with it, even if you've never edited before. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Innovationz and hit the bell so you'll be the first to know the next AI money-making strategy. What is Opus Clip? Opus Clip is an AI video repurposing tool. Upload any YouTube, Zoom, or podcast video, and in seconds, it automatically finds the most viral moments, edits them into short clips, adds captions, emojis, even dynamic zooms. This means you don't need to spend hours editing. AI does the heavy lifting. You just upload, review, and post. Method 1. Freelance services. Freelance editing services. On Fiverr and Upwork, creators are paying $1 for editors to repurpose their long-form podcasts and YouTube videos into shorts. Here's the play. 1. Use Opus Clip to auto-create clips. 2. Polish with small edits or branding. 3. Deliver to client fast. Example, you charge $100 for 10 clips. With Opus Clip, you can create them in under 1 hour. That's a crazy hourly rate. Method 2, grow your own channel. Grow your own social media fast. In 2025, consistency equals viral. Posting daily shorts or reels boosts your reach and subs. Opus Clip helps you stay consistent by creating multiple viral-ready clips from just one long video. The more you post, the more views, the more ad revenue, sponsors, and affiliate sales. Method 3, content packs. Sell content packs. Many coaches, businesses, and influencers don't have time to edit. You can sell them monthly packs like 30 shorts for $300, 50 shorts for $500. You just upload their videos into Opus Clip, let AI do its magic, and boom, you deliver branded content packs. Once they see results, they'll keep paying monthly. Method 4, affiliate program. Affiliate marketing. Opus Clip has an affiliate program. That means you can recommend the tool, and for every new sign up, you earn commission. So not only can you make money using Opus Clip, you can also make money promoting it. Double income stream. Conclusion. So let's recap. Here are 4 ways to make money with Opus Clip. 1. Freelance editing. 2. Growing your own social media. 3. Selling content. 4. Affiliate marketing. Opus Clip turns AI into your personal video editor. In 2025, that means more money, more time, more growth. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, comment your favorite method, and subscribe to Innovationz for more hidden AI tools that can put cash in your pocket.